Are you all enjoying the weather today out? I hope it's raining in every part of Delhi. Fine, 2 more minutes and then we'll start. Yes. Okay. Yes, Nipuna rainbow must have occurred yesterday after the rain, and it's possible you can see you might see the rainbow today if the sun comes and the rain has stopped. But I hope it rains for the entire day today. No? Okay, Nipun, you are not in Delhi, but yeah, in Delhi also yesterday was some rain, and after that, sun was there. Who is this unknown user? Please write your name. Ishan. Just give me a minute. Some students are facing problem. They're not able to join. I'm waiting for them to join. And then we'll start the class. All right. Just a minute. Alright. Today we are going to do essay writing. We have already discussed, but I have not taken the topic as one. Right? Yes, Rashi, we have already discussed about weather. Okay. Can anyone tell me what do you understand by essay? What is essay writing? I know there is a lot of network issue. Ayush, please keep yourself muted now. If I find any nuisance in the class that you are unmuting yourself unnecessarily, I will remove you without any warning. Class 5A, yesterday also you get a punishment of not speaking. Today also I'll give the same. Yes, Ark?
Essay writing means writing an essay to someone.
What is essay writing? We write emails to someone, we write messages to someone. What is the difference? What is essay writing? Nandini and Himakshi, I'm going to remove you in 10 seconds if you do not mute yourself. Yes, Karnesh, very good. You can speak. Karnesh,
It's writing to describe an event or idea.
very good. When we are writing to describe an event or an idea, absolutely correct. Anyone else wants to add anything here? Yes, we.
We
Yes,
may write
Bhagya.
and describe
Continue
an
with.
a person or an idea.
When we describe
Introduction
an.
start with
Achha, I'm just
introduction.
asking. We do not read from the book. I can also read from the book. Please give me your ideas. What do you understand from all this?
Ma'am, the topic is given to us and we have to describe that.
Very good. A topic is given to us and we just have to describe it. Very nice. Absolutely correct.
We can include ideas, paragraphs, consolation.
All right. So we all know, we all must have an idea. We have already done also in one of the linguistic, right? Let's see a video and see what is essay writing is all about. More in detail. Okay. Kindly do not unmute yourself in between. Now you will not be able to speak. As simple as that. Kindly watch the video carefully. I can ask anyone what was there, and if you're not able to answer, then see.
Essay writing.
Nipun, I'll come to you, just wait.
At the end of this lesson, you will be able to write an essay in 3 parts. That is, introduction, body, and conclusion.
Sorry, before this, I want to show you this one.
The thought of writing an essay can be just as intimidating as the idea of making a new friend. The same worries come to mind for both missions, mostly centered on.
We'll do this only. You'll understand this. Okay.
Hello, Zizi. Is your mother around? I have some fresh homemade cookies for all of you, and I wanted to give them to her.
Good morning, Aunt Faye. Mother's gone grocery shopping at the market. She shouldn't be long.
Oh,
Are you able to hear and see the video? Yes or no, class? The screen is not coming clearly. Okay. Let me try once again. Is it visible now? Okay.
never mind. I'll leave these here and give her a call later. Just tell her I stopped by. What's wrong, Zizi? Are you having trouble with your homework?
No, Aunt Faye. I have to write an essay for my school magazine. It's due for submission tomorrow and I can't seem to figure out how to write it.
You look like you are having a little trouble drafting your essay, Zizi. Maybe I can help you.
Oh, thank you, Aunt Faye.
Have you selected a topic yet?
Yes, I'm going to write on the topic My Best Friend.
Okay, that sounds good. Now, you cannot expect to write a perfect essay in your first try. You need to spend some time thinking about what you are going to write. You have to come up with points that you're going to include in your essay. Note these points down and form an outline of your essay.
What is she saying? That you cannot just start writing an essay. What you have to do, you have to first think what all points you are going to write, and then you will start a essay. Outline means what all the points. If I've given you noise pollution and you start writing what is pollution, this and that is wrong. First think what all points will you get. How noise pollution is clear, what is the meaning of noise pollution, how it is created, what we can do to stop. Like this, you have to think of an outline.
I've already done that, Aunt Faye. Look.
Best friend Fleck, next door, thin, short hair, sit together.
If you see, these are the outlines. Outline is like we did in story writing. I give you hints like this and you created a story. Like this, you have to create your own outline that what all points you are going to add in your essay.
Together, neighboring park, likes eating chocolates and cakes, drawing and coloring, loves animals, pet dog, jumper, daydreaming, tells me stories, asks lots of questions, quiet but mischievous, makes funny faces, likes learning new things, help each other, loves spending time with him. This seems fine. Very good, Zizi. Do you know what an essay is? An essay is a composition made up of several paragraphs. E.
Like I just told you, when we have done paragraph writing before class 5, class 3, 4, 2, right? When we are joining 2 or 3 paragraphs together, it forms an essay. Introduction, then your main points, main ideas, and a conclusion. A jumper is a dress, bache. Prakya, that is a type of a dress also.
Each of these paragraphs has a collection of connected sentences on a given topic. A well-written essay usually has a title and a minimum of 3 paragraphs.
Right? I just told you for 3 paragraphs because this is a starting for you. Yes, Gee. So, title is must, that is heading, and then minimum 3 paragraphs. Introduction, main point, and conclusion.
Zizi is writing an essay on her friend Fleck. She has given her essay the title, My Best Friend. The outline of her story now needs to be elaborated within at least 3 paragraphs.
Elaborated means writing in detail. That was very short forms. Now she is going to write in detail.
Let's see how. An essay is written on the basis of a given topic. Sometimes beginning an essay can be the hardest part. Before beginning to write, we must carry out a few initial steps. First, we must spend some time thinking about the topic. This will help us come up with points that can be included in the essay. Zizi has already put some thought into her essay and come up with relevant points. Then, we can ask questions that relate to the topic of the essay and find the answers to these questions. For example, we can ask questions like, does the essay have a good title? Or, is there enough relevant matter to include in the essay? To come up with points to include in the essay, we can refer to various sources of information such as books, media, and people to get more information needed for the essay. Once we have collected all the information and ideas, we can jot them down as points to draft an outline for the essay. The points may not be full sentences, but they help to begin writing.
What she is saying,
English sing.
what she is saying is that whenever we are writing an essay, right, you have to think first. You cannot just start writing, you have to think first. But what is it actually asking? What is the title? What is the topic given to you? What all points can you include? Jot it down, write it down in the margin, and then write your essay.
These points then need to be arranged carefully in proper order to give a suitable flow to the essay. Alright, Zizi, now that you have decided what points you want to include, let's begin drafting your essay.
Okay,
Draft means write.
Aunt Faye. But how do we do that?
Now, we know that the essay starts with the title and the content of the essay is based on it. But other than the title, there are some other parts to an essay. An essay needs to be systematically divided into individual parts. let me help you structure your essay. An essay needs to be structured
Structure of an essay means like this I told you, introduction, main content and conclusion.
correctly for it to flow smoothly when being read. The essay begins with the title. The title should not only give an idea of the main topic covered, but also capture the interest of the reader. Other than the title, an essay is divided into 3 distinct parts: the introduction or beginning, the body or the middle, and the conclusion or the end of the essay. Let's look at what we need to cover under each of these parts. The introduction. The introduction is the beginning of an essay. Under each of
I just told you, introduction is how you are going to begin. Body or middle is main conduct and conclusion.
these parts. The introduction. The introduction is the beginning of an essay. The purpose of the introduction is to introduce the topic to the reader. In this case, the topic relates to Zizi's best friend, Fleck. The introduction is usually shorter than the following paragraphs, as it only tells the reader what to expect in the essay. After the topic
Like we have
to
already
include
told-
in your essay,
Sorry.
do you know points when being read? Divided into several paragraphs with about the topic.
Okay, like we've just told, introduction is that what is going to be there in the paragraph. For example, noise pollution, that what is actually pollution and what is noise pollution. So it is generally smaller than the main body of the essay.
After the topic has been introduced, we need to write the body of the essay. The body is the middle of an essay that gives the most amount of detail about the topic. It is the main section of an essay that follows the introduction. The body of the essay can be divided into several paragraphs, with one major point being covered in each paragraph. However, for a short essay, the body can have only one paragraph with several small ideas included within it. The body can include reasons, examples, quotations, statistics, opinions, or personal stories of the writer. The conclusion is the last section of the essay. The conclusion or the end of an essay is the most important part of the essay. The conclusion follows the body. It must smoothly end the essay. The conclusion sums up the essay and restates the important points of the topic, including the writer's views and opinions within one paragraph. The conclusion uses words or sentences that signal the end of the essay.
Now, what is it happening? What is happening here that after the conclusion, it is ending your essays. That it
The
shows
essay.
that it's the end. Right? That for noise pollution, if I give example, so how to stop it. So this is the way of doing the essay writing. Any doubt till here? Anyone? Anyone, any doubt? No doubts? Okay. That must be because of maybe what we say. Network issues, might be because of network issues. The video was cracking or something like that. All right. This is class 5. So class 5, today's homework will be, you have to write an essay on, draft an essay on importance of trees. Yes, importance of trees. Anyone who wants to ask anything can do it right now. All right. So no doubts, I'm ending the class for the day. 5th day, please complete your work. Swastika, you have to write an essay on importance of tree. Write an essay on importance of tree in about 120 to 150 words. Fine. Fifth day, do your work, submit the essay by today's evening. Enjoy the weather and take care of yourself in such a weather. All right, everyone. Yes, Ashi.
मैम हमें ऐसे किस टॉपिक पे लिखना है?
Importance of trees, and please converse in English. This is not a Hindi class.
ओके मैम सॉरी.
All right. I'm ending the class for the day now. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye ma'am. Ma'am, please show the homework
I will send on
and
WhatsApp.
work.
Don't worry.
Bye ma'am. Ma'am, homework. Ma'am, work. Ma'am.